Here's something a little bit harder you can start practicing on. I did this kick back step move once on Instagram, and honestly it took me forever to learn it, and now it took me forever to refilm it and teach it because I couldn't find a flat enough space to dance on. So my first tip is to find a nice flat space, and you also want to be really comfortable doing cross unders. So let's start. I'm starting with my left leg, and what you'll do is get on your toe wheels and roll backwards and out, so slanted, and roll forward again to kick. Then that same foot will step back behind the other foot to replace it. So the other foot could roll back, kick, and step back. Sounds simple enough, right? The foot that remains stationary, and I'm putting that in air quotes, you just can't see it, actually moves the entire time. It's rolling back and forth, and it's supposed to help you keep balance. So when your foot is rolling backwards on its toe wheels, the stationary foot is actually rolling forwards. Then when you kick forward, it's rolling backwards. It's meant to keep your weight evenly distributed so you don't fall, but it's also the thing that makes the move hard. At least that's how I feel. The challenge will be to stay still and not shift your body forwards or backwards. You have to get the perfect amount of roll to stay in one place to do the move. So this one will take you some time to conquer, at least it did for me. So if you try it, be sure to share it with me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you guys in the next one.